Welcome to Val's Quick Tips and Trick Cooking Channel. So again, तुमका येवकार माझ्या cooking channel आचेर. And you must be wondering that what I am doing with this plum cake. So yes, Christmas season and we make lot of plum cakes, and out of this plum cake, so now this is around 125 gram of plum cake, and I'm going to make white chocolate balls from this. So what we need, a piece of a cake, any cake, chocolate cake, plum cake, fruit cake, any type of cake, vanilla cake also will do, but then you will have to add some cocoa powder to it. Then I have taken 1/4 of this size cup of, this is our milk powder. So this is everyday milk powder. You can use any brand. Then we need little bit of milk to mold this, and this is I have made and kept, that is our milk cream to stuff in it. So we'll crumble this all together first. It's a quick recipe, but on video I have to be slow to show you. Otherwise it's a very quick recipe. Then our chocolate ganache, white chocolate ganache is already ready. So we'll add this to this. So it gives a nice more flavor for this. Now we will add little by little milk to this, okay? Very little, so maybe 1 teaspoon also is fine. And mix this all together. We'll add 1 more teaspoon of milk to this. And then knead it nicely, and it's done. So now we will make small balls out of this. So take like this and make balls. So how many balls, what size balls, it's all up to you. And keep aside. Now to stuff this, make like this a hole. Then we can add our milk. This is optional, but it tastes very nice. And then again you close this. So my balls are ready, chocolate ball. Now we have to dip this into our white chocolate or white ganache. So now you need like this, which is always there in everybody's oven, OTG. So I'm taking that and I will place this on this all one by one. Then garnishing and all, it's up to you how you want to garnish it or decorate it. And it is very nice to do this in Christmas time especially. So now Christmas is over, but yet it's a Christmas sweets. To make chocolate balls, we need either chocolate ganache, that is dark chocolate ganache, or white chocolate. So I am using white chocolate ganache for this, and it is double boiling. So white chocolate, easily available in any supermarket. You have to get that bar and then double boil it and melt it. And add little bit of fresh cream. So around 1 to 2 tablespoons of fresh cream for around 50 grams to 100 grams of chocolate bar. So now what we have to do, we have to pour this little on this. You can take spoon or you can directly pour on this. Don't worry if it is dripping down, because that only you can use later to decorate it. So keep a plate, otherwise it will become a messy. So now we'll wait, let it get settled. Then again we will pour this. We ate this and it is yum. So I thought of showing you all. Okay, so we'll now leave this. You can directly keep it in the fridge along with this. Once it is done, again you pour if you want a thicker chocolate base on top. Once it is cooled down, then you can put some decoration on this. Totally up to you. If you want to, if you don't want to, it's all up to you. But it looks nice. So here an easy recipe to make white chocolate balls. Simple and easy and quick. Hope you all will enjoy this and make this. You can make it now, you can make it Christmas season, but do make it. Thank you and enjoy your celebration every time. Thank you. I have kept it in the fridge and after a few minutes we will place it.
Here it is, lovely, tasty, yummy white chocolate balls. Enjoy.